What makes a vehicle truly adventurous? Imagine a car that's not just built to conquer the road, but to take on the wildest terrains with style and grace. Enter the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a machine designed for explorers who crave both comfort and rugged capability. Picture yourself at the edge of an untamed landscape, the Prado's bold and aggressive stance reflecting your spirit of adventure. Its sleek black exterior, paired with a chrome-detailed grille and modern LED headlights, commands attention. The sculpted hood and robust fenders add to its commanding presence, while the higher suspension and all-terrain wheels signal that this SUV is ready for whatever lies ahead. But it's not just about what's on the outside. Step inside the Prado, and you're greeted with an oasis of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The spacious interior is adorned with premium leather seats that provide unmatched comfort for those long journeys. The dashboard, a masterpiece of modern design, offers simple controls and innovative digital displays. And with the advanced infotainment system, every drive is an enjoyable experience, complete with flawless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado packs a punch with its 2.8 liters turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 500 Nm of torque and up to 204 horsepower. This SUV is a beast both on and off the road. The intelligent all-wheel drive system, combined with advanced suspension, ensures superior handling and stability across any terrain. Safety and comfort are also top priorities. Starting at $85,000, the Prado comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems and semi-autonomous driving modes, offering peace of mind whether you're navigating city streets or remote trails. And if you're looking for the ultimate adventure-ready SUV, fully equipped versions can reach up to $110,000. Pre-orders for the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado begin in mid-2024, with an official release slated for late 2024. This model isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of Toyota's commitment to innovation, luxury, and adventure. With its powerful capabilities, striking design, and modern technologies, the Prado is set to redefine the SUV market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.